Hi everyone! Did you know that you can customize your privacy on RedNote to keep your content more secure? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to adjust your settings for a more private experience. Start by opening the RedNote app and navigating to your profile page. Once you're there, tap on the settings icon to access your account options. Next, go to the privacy settings section. Within this menu, you'll find the option called My Collection. Here you can disable the visibility of your notes, boards, and albums to make them private. To hide everything at once, simply turn off the top option labeled Open My Collections. While RedNote doesn't currently support fully private profiles, there's another step you can take for added privacy. Enable protection mode in the same menu. With this mode turned on, you'll no longer receive private messages or comments from users you don't follow. This feature is an excellent way to ensure that your interactions are limited to people you trust, giving you greater control over your account and content. Remember, your safety and comfort online should always come first. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.